take a moment and listen. This message is for you. Don't let fear stop you from becoming who you're meant to be. What you need right now is the courage to take the next step. Life does not always give us the full picture. It asks us to keep moving with hope, with faith, and with wisdom. And keep working on what has been placed in your hand. And trust God with what He cannot say no. And be faithful with what you cannot do today. The next chapter is closer than you think. Just like us.